Is your Ram ProMaster infotainment screen going black whenever you connect Apple CarPlay? Data shows that most of these connectivity issues are simple software handshake errors rather than hardware failure. Let us walk through the troubleshooting playbook to get your display back online. Start by forcing a hard reset of the Uconnect unit and inspecting your connection hardware. Your iPhone settings are often the culprit, so reset your CarPlay profile and update your software. Outdated Uconnect firmware is a common cause for black screens on newer ProMaster models. Try these software fixes first, but if the screen remains black, you may be looking at a hardware repair. Most failures are just cable issues, making them the most cost-effective fix to test. If problems persist, perform a full vehicle power cycle by disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes. Keep these items in your van to handle most connectivity and electrical diagnostic needs. Remember, always start with the simplest connection point before you consider tearing into your dashboard. If this helped you resolve your CarPlay black screen, let us know in the comments below.